2024 property taxes. Let's talk about it. Super quick review. Your assessed value of your property is how much the city and the state looks at your property or county to figure out how much you owe in taxes based on the tax rate. Your market value is how much you can actually sell your property for. Those are two different numbers. In the state of Maryland, there are three different groups. Each of those three groups are reassessed every 3 years. In the state of Maryland, overall, Group 3 properties increased by about 23.4% since their last reassessment. So in Maryland, 96.6% of all the properties in Group 3 increased in property value, while in Baltimore, 81.5% of properties increased in property value. The assessed values in Baltimore City increased by about 17.9%. There's a 4% cap, so your property taxes can only increase by 4% max. You or someone you know is an owner-occupant, so they live in the home, and their property taxes increase either more than they think it should, or they want to protect how much our property taxes increase each year. There is something called the homestead tax credit, and there is a way to appeal your taxes, so make sure you check that out.